Graduated college back in 2006 from just a traditional university. I just wasn't happy with, what jobs I was getting. And graphic design kept popping up. And the more I researched it, the more I thought this might be something I'd be really interested in. So then I started trying to find some schools that I could go to. Jake would come around and check with all of us when we were working on some kind of new skill for each part of the book. And so it just felt like somebody was right there with you, really helping you one-on-one. So somebody as seasoned as Jake, he's been in the business of graphic design for, I think, like 30 years. He was right there helping out someone who it was their first day. I thought that was really great. That's what was great, is because he is part of the graphic design world. His career is so vast. So we were learning the technical skills, but he was also giving us a lot of real world situations, he was able to give us so many examples and answer so many questions, things that I didn't even really would know apply until I started getting into doing it on my own. And so that was really, really helpful. I'm a pre-press designer for Leapin' Lizard labels. I hadn't had any other graphic design job. That was my first job. It was an entry-level job, and I was nervous of that imposter syndrome. If I hadn't had such a good foundation from the Digital Workshop Center, I think I would have really struggled with that. But I felt after that first week or so, wow, I really know these skills. I can do this job. So that was definitely helped my confidence. I've thought about taking some other classes to just help me seem like a more complete candidate for other positions that I might want in the future. So if I, met anyone that was interested in any kind of tech skills, I recommend Digital Workshop Center for sure.